girl, talk to the, speak to the, shut up, where I'm gonna bring you the dopest, the rawest, and the realest content. So before we get into today's video, make sure you are a part of the squad. And if you are not, what are you doing? What are you doing? So today's video, we are customizing some Air Force Ones. I am doing a splatter effect on them bad boys. Like, I'm gonna freestyle. Let's just get into this video. Got the Air Forces, got the leather paint, got the acrylic finish, got the leather deglazer, got my petal rose dye, got my wrong tape, got my knife, of course, and some paintbrushes. Now let's get into it. All right, so now we're about to take off our shoelaces and we're gonna just put them to the side. Later on, we're gonna dip those in some dye to make those a pretty pink. Now it is time to deglaze and prepare our leather for this paint. So let's take off the factory glazing, the factory paint, so we can put our own paint on these bad boys. So you're just gonna repeat this step for both shoes. Now it is time to get into my least favorite part, the taping part, because I told you I got the wrong tape, so make sure you get the right tape. Fabric tape. This is construction tape. It does stick, but it was just a little longer and took a lot more time than it will if you use fabric tape. So please get fabric tape. This is the part where you can get creative. You can leave out any part that you want to splatter or paint. I just decided to leave out the Air, the Nike Air in the back, and of course the Nike Do It check, just to see how this turns out, because I've seen a lot of people do the splatter all over or just the splatter on the Nike check and the soles of the shoes. So I decided to do something a little different. So I'm just gonna stick to the Air and the Nike sign, and we're just gonna see how this turns out. This is given very much fashion designer. If you haven't, make sure you get this little knife, fabric knife. It helps you get all of your taping crisp and right on T, so you don't miss a line, a dot, or wrinkle, or nothing. I keep picking up this tool like I am really doing something. I was just feeling myself, don't mind me. So the color did catfish me, and I made the biggest mess of my life. I sat here for a good 2 minutes before I cleaned this up. So after that mishap, we finally got into my favorite part, the splatter. Can you tell I started to learn how to splatter like a pro? I got creative and started adding the white, y'all. So I actually tried to splatter another way and it didn't work. So I advise you to not try this at home. Another mess up that I gotta clean up. Ooh, I'm ready to see them bad boys with no tape on. Now it is time to use my RIT dye. So you already know you have to have hot boiling water, put it in plastic, pour your RIT dye, stir that bad boy, and then it is time to lay your laces in there for 30 minutes and I will be back. So after 30 to 60 minutes, minutes, I am rinsing my laces off with cold water. Now it is time to acrylic finish our leather paint. So of course they don't chip, so they don't come off. Let's just look how these bad boys came out. You want to always make sure that your paint is completely dry before you add any finishes on top, because your paint will start to run, will start to go everywhere. I did mess up on the back, but it came out cute, so just keep watching. Now it is time to rip it. Now it is time to put on our pink laces. I am so in love. This is how you revamp, customize some fire Air Force Ones the way you like them, the way you want them. Comment down below, what shoes do you want to see me customize next? These came out so fire. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you tell me the next pair of shoes I got to customize. Oh my god. You know I come out with a name for every shoe. These are called the Upside Pink Air Forces. Let's get it.